Mo le aso le nei o au ua a matai nai e to lima. E lima tato au. Ai o loo whaanga solo pea ma o loo talia pea ia tusi talo sanga mai isi. E ova mai le lima sfulu ia tato talo sanga wo o mai le aso. O lo iei pea isi o loo mwhaiona a wha solo mai. O loo talia tato talo sanga tato social media, tato Facebook page. Ia po lo su mai fo ia tuina mai ia tusi lumo tato ofisale i le plaza.
Nesta perfecta I wana po paalwina I auni mo avela mo lima.
I think that we leave the cost part. I think that it's the initiative bit over here. It's basically, like I said, these sports. Yes, cost. Obviously, all these uniforms do cost, but I think from our side is, like I said, it's more on the 60th year of independence and the growth of sports. This is the least we can do as a company to kind of contribute it, because we know that the cost of uniforms is high. Whenever it comes to sports, the cost of uniforms is high for every team. But it will be good to have the teams sport the 60th year uniform, the special ones which we done for the Independence year. And I think for all our media friends, well, I know few of you play sports, most of you enjoy filming sports. We've got uniforms for you also. I'm sure the media marketing team, you can give me your respective sizes. We've got the uniforms for you.
Ia peo na sauno atu le ali pule ia ole tau ole tato toniga le mpena tu se tau I tato toniga I le temi ona pone I loa matua I tau wa telo tu tau sanga I au mai e mo mia le se leni e whaatau waini ia tato toniga ia le ala wa apa ia tato kamupani e awatu e whaatau a mai sao ia na watu la ia wha mea lofa I tato au te itas.
So the uniforms are actually made by the manufacturers and all of that. The ones who do up the uniforms for Nike. Same fit, if you look at it, the ones are done up by Nike. So we've been lucky to source it to the uniform makers for Nike. I think the whole part is the comfort fit, and especially made for the country as to it's a breathable fabric.
I understand that you actually plan everything, and I have a feeling that you may have a set or fixed budget for this project or this program or assistance or whatever you call it. Do you have?
I think for this year we have allocated 10% of our marketing budget purely for the for the growth of uniform.
It's a lot of money, huh? Thank you.
Recipients today we would like to convey our sincere gratitude and thanks to Digital Samoa, Seyuli Liba, and the Digital and Management staff for this, for accepting our proposal, for our uniforms. Thank you very much, and God bless Digital, Secure Digital. Thank you.
Tamam to my taita so my lo se pa ia tato wanga ate ona pa I wela ia tato po kalami nei taiao
Which camera?
Sorry guys, not Then yes, we'll just balance out our how we stand, please. We'll just have we'll just get you chairs to sit down and then because they're towering over you. Yang bela ini. And then we'll have one person with you. Shift facing it. Yeah. It's a little bit back. That's all. Up to Ari to me. Shift to your left. A little. Tasi. Just Luatolu, better together with Digicel. Yeah, just Luatolu, better together with Digicel. So ko kalame le nei atai au e mole toile ranga fatai tele fa ya masui o le sunga ya se yuli di taki ama le malo le afanga buena de sao e tato au fa tato ma futa me se foi o tato wo mai le tato media fatai mo so pa ava no to tanya wa foi fa na mi no ina mi se foi fa ma yanga me tato kamupani ai le ta ape atu e bala awasu tato outside tasi o no sa te isi mai lava se fai ia tato abatua tato tolinga ia mawhai ia individual photos o outside tasi ai manuia lava ia ngaluenga o tutoio le nei aso e whakatai lava mo le awai mai manuia nei aso whakatai